In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. Let's dive right in and make sure your website looks polished and professional. First, open up your Wix site by accessing the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be making these updates directly here, so make sure your site is ready in the editor view. Once you're in the editor, focus your attention on the header portion of your site. This area generally holds crucial elements like your logo and navigation menu. With a click right on the header itself, you'll see options appear for adjusting various elements and settings. This step establishes which part of your web page we'll be working on. Now that the header is selected, you'll want to move towards the settings option that appears. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a panel full of options that dictate how your header behaves and appears on your website. From here, you're able to customize your header's functionality to suit your design needs. Scroll settings are next on our checklist. Under the Settings menu, look for the Header Scroll Settings. This component holds the key to how your header moves or doesn't move with the rest of the page when a viewer scrolls down. You have a couple of options here, and selecting the right one can really change the user experience on your page. Next, hit the option labeled Freezes. When you choose this setting, your header will stay fixed at the top of the page as users scroll down. This is particularly useful for keeping your navigation and branding front and center, even as viewers explore lower on the page. A fixed header ensures that no matter how deep into your content users go, essential navigation options remain accessible. Once you've decided on this scroll setting, you'll want to save your changes by closing out of the Settings menu. Simply click Close, ensuring that all your adjustments are locked in and won't be inadvertently lost. Before signing off completely, take a look at the header height. You can adjust this using the up and down arrows found next to the height settings. This simple tweak can help maintain balance and aesthetics, making sure the header doesn't consume too much or too little space at the top of your web page. After all these steps, it's crucial to see the site from the viewer's perspective. Click on the Preview button. This mode lets you experience the site as a visitor would, giving you a chance to catch any last-minute discrepancies and ensuring everything functions smoothly. Once you're satisfied, you can exit the preview and publish your changes for the world to see. And there you have it. With these steps, your Wix site should now have a perfectly functioning and visually appealing header. Thanks for watching and happy designing.